Well, we're getting away from the extreme heat for this time of the year and replacing it with unsettled weather. We had our first taste of it yesterday afternoon and evening, had a few showers and storms to track overnight. And for the past, 6-7 hours, there hadn't been a whole lot going on unless you're out around the edges. We've got a round of showers and storms been creeping along the Ohio River Valley, and also a little bit of activity outside of Letcher, Pike County, our far southern border counties on the outside of that. So this is really about the only thing that's close to us, and so far that didn't amount to much. That's your batch that went through overnight. It wasn't severe. Put down some heavier rain here in the bluegrass, and up till now, there you can see the nice gap in what's going on. Letcher County, some of our southeastern counties got hammered with heavy rain. They had issues with flash flooding last night, very localized stuff, but you can see radar estimates of a few inches of rain in spots. And as well, more of the same, although we handled it easier here. That's from overnight, some of the rounds it went through. So you can easily pick up, since these storms are just barely plodding along, very slow movement with them because there's no upper level wind to move them along. You can end up with some higher rainfall totals because they're just kind of sitting over you and continuing to dump rain. And that's the concern into the afternoon. Not so much severe weather, although we may have some stronger storms capable of damaging wind gusts and maybe some hail. The bigger concern is just going to be the possibility of torrential rain. And it's going to be very hit or miss. They'll be scattered, but where they fire, you're going to know it because the rain will come down hard and heavy. This is getting into this evening. And then later on into the late evening around 11 o'clock, not a big surprise here. Once we lose the daytime heating, the sun goes down. We'll lose some of that oomph to get them going, and things should diminish. And then you get into Thursday, and here we go again. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, some potential heavy rain producers. You can even pick out that swirl of low pressure as it pulls off to the east, northeast, and out of here. So we're trading in, of course, the record May heat for these storms, and boy, did we have record heat. We hit 90 Monday. We talked about that yesterday, and then we also, yesterday, tied our 89-degree record high. So that's 2 record days in a row for hot stuff, and it's going to be nice to not have to deal with that. Now it's not going to be a big cool snap. We're at 77 degrees with extra cloud cover building in. That'll kind of put the brakes on the temperature rise, and of course we'll have scattered showers and storms to contend with. We've had over 3/4 of an inch of rain at Bluegrass Airport with those rounds that came through overnight. 77 degrees now, 78 in Frankfort. It's in the mid-70s out in the mountains in Jackson, and we will see these waves of showers and storms, and temperatures will be suppressed. Around 80 today, maybe some low 80s, and then may not get out of the 70s next couple of afternoons with the extensive cloud cover around. Into the weekend, the storm chance starts to drop and the temperature starts to come back up again. We can see low to mid 80s this weekend, so hopefully some decent weather on the way. Next couple of days, though, aren't going to be so much fun, especially into the afternoon and evening as we see these rounds of showers and storms maxing out and potentially drenching some locations. Scattered showers and storms overnight, probably diminishing toward daybreak, and then a quiet morning, and then additional development Thursday afternoon. More of the same Friday. Starting to taper off a bit heading into the weekend, though. So not a lot of variation there. We'll warm back up as the storm chance drops this weekend, so there's some good news for the weekend, but another cold front potentially early next week, spiking the storm chances, and we've still got a lot of 70s and 80s heading our way.